dramatic arrest captured on dash cam as an officer slams Arizona State University professor Ersula Ore to the ground after confronting her for walking in the middle of the street.
I don't care what you're wearing. Put your hand behind your back right now.
Don't talk to me like this. This entire thing has been about your lack of respect for me.
Ore was on her way home from teaching when a police car pulled up next to her. This exchange caught off camera.
Let me see your ID, or you will be arrested for failing to provide ID.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. That is the law. If you don't understand the law, I'm explaining the law to you right now. You're walking down the middle of a road, which is a public thoroughfare.
Which I had no problem with abiding by the law. But what I simply asked you was,
let me see your ID.
Do you have to speak to me in such a disrespectful manner?
A passerby called 911 to voice concern as the arrest took place.
911, where's your emergency?
Hey, I'm on College and 5th Street, and there's a police officer who's getting way too aggressive with a young lady who's on the street.
Finally restrained, Ore kicks the officer in the leg after being lifted from the ground. She claims it was self-defense and now faces criminal charges, including assaulting a police officer and resisting arrest.
Put your hand behind your back! Put your hand behind your back!
ASU gave this statement to CNN. Quote, ASU authorities have reviewed the unfortunate circumstances surrounding the arrest of Assistant Professor Ersula Ore and have found that the officer involved did not violate protocol. No evidence was found of racial motivation by the ASU Police Department officers involved. They did say they would conduct an independent review on whether excessive force was used or if there was racial motivation by any of the officers involved.